Hello, everybody. This is Jim Cruz from Affiliated Technology Solutions. In today's training session, we are going to be reviewing the ATS mobile app. Introduction. Log into your ATS mobile app using your iPhone or your Android device, and it functions as your ATS phone. The app has all the features of your regular desk phone or your web phone, which includes making internal office calls as if you were at your desk, transfer calls, both internal and external, internal and external SMS texting, view your company directory, and access your voicemails as well. For training, please refer to our online training library for any of our training videos. You can also request a live training session here as well, training page for any of the topics that you might need some training with. About this document, this user guide gives guidance on how to operate the ATS mobile app. The document assumes the following. You have an operational Android or iOS based mobile device and have downloaded the ATS mobile app from your app store. Again, if you have an Android, you would go to the Google Play Store. If you have an iOS, you would go to the Apple Play Store. You've been given access also to the ATS mobile app in the affiliated phone system, and you have been given a username and a password. If this is not the case, please contact affiliated support for help. Our phone number is listed here, as well as our email address. The screenshots that we're going to review here shortly are mostly from Android based devices, unless otherwise noted. Once you download and install your ATS mobile app from the App Store, you will be able to launch the mobile app by signing in with your username and password that you've been given. Whenever the app is launched, the keypad screen is always displayed as shown. Your name and extension is displayed here. You can also tap here to set your Do Not Disturb. The white line indicates which screen you're on. On the iPhone below, the button itself is highlighted in white. If you have an Android, new voicemails waiting in this blank area will display. A voicemail icon on the iPhone will display here as well. On the iPhone, the navigation bar appears on the bottom. On Android, it appears on the top. You can also swipe left or right to switch screens. The ATS mobile navigation bar, as shown below, the navigation bar has icons which you can tap to access the different areas of the app, which are summarized below. There is a quick dial, as indicated by the star icon, messages indicated in the chat bubble icon, keypad indicated by the cloud icon, contacts indicated by the person icon, history indicated by the clock icon, and the ATS menu indicated by three lines icon, which gives you access to other ATS features. Above the navigation bar, top right on the options button, indicated by the three dots icon and the gear icon on the iPhone, where you can change the app settings. Quick dial. Your favorite contacts can be added from your internal company directory, your cell phone contact list, or entered manually. You can see if your colleagues are talking on the phone, or they can see if they're online at all. You can search, sort, and filter this list. Tap the icons button to display contacts as a grid shown below or in a list type format. Your choice. This is your dial pad. On the dial pad, you'll see there is a delete button that will appear when you start dialing numbers right above the number three there. For international calls, you will need the plus sign symbol, plus 44 United Kingdom, for example, and then manually dialing numbers and star codes, then tap the call button, which appears like a little cloud, and that button, tap it twice, and it will call the last number you dialed. When you're on a call, the screen changes to look like this. The on call screen offers similar options to your desk phone. It also includes a network statistics page for any troubleshooting needs. As you can see here, the dialed number and caller ID information will be available depending on if it's an inbound or outbound call. You can mute your callers from the mute button. You'll see an elapsed time counter here as well. By tapping on the keypad, you can bring up a dial pad to type more numbers. You can put your calls on hold or unhold. Tap the record. This will record the call, and it'll appear in the VIP portal. Tap here to cold transfer a call, which is also known as just a transfer. There will also be options here for a warm transfer, which also is called a supervised transfer. You can add a call to create a conference call, and that will punch up the dial pad and give you the opportunity to dial in either a 10-digit number externally or a 3-digit number internally from an extension. Callers will hear music on hold when you put the call on hold by tapping the above hold button. Cold transfers are also called blind and unattended transfers. The button at the bottom is your end call button. So when you've completed your phone call, simply tap end call and the call will be terminated. Contacts. This area includes access to your smartphone's contact list as well as complete listing of your internal company directory. It is easy to switch between the two directories below. Tap on the magnifying glass icon right here and in the upper right, and it'll help you to search your contacts. Tap here to switch between displaying the company or the personal contacts. Tapping on an entry will display more information for that individual contact, and tapping on these icons will start up an audio, video, or chat conversation, respectively. The next screen, we're going to look at call history. Call history section shows any and all business calls placed, received, or missed. Tap the magnifying glass icon in the upper right corner to search your call history. Call history is displayed here where it'll show the newest call to the top. You can sort by any of the filter type history, all calls, missed calls, saved or performed calls. Tapping here on the contact will call that person specifically. Displaying icons associated with the last activity, such as incoming, outgoing, missed, and recorded calls as well. Even though you may have many devices, you have one extension number. If a caller dials that extension number, all your devices can be rung. If you pick up a call on another device not visible from your VIP mobile, this entry will show answered elsewhere, which means not by another extension, but by another device on your system. On the next screen, we're going to view the VIP menu. Tapping here will give you access to other great ATS features that you'll see below. The VIP screen allows you to move a call, which is a feature that allows you to move a call from one device on your extension to another device. Visual voicemail, tap or listen to older new voicemails. Make a video call to join a meeting or anyone that has Crescendo Network, tap this area. And also tap this area to modify your answering rules, access your voicemail greetings, and set up other voicemail settings. Visual voicemail, this area enables you to listen to and manage your voicemails visually. The screen does not call the audio voicemail system. You'll be able to read your voicemails if the transcription function is enabled, which is set on your portal for voicemail to email with transcription enabled. Here is that VIP screen. Again, your extension numbers at the top. This is a back button. Allows you to sort between display, new, saved, or trash. And tapping on the listen button lets you listen. Tap these icons to forward, save, or delete voice messages. You can tap the phone or extension number and return to the call. Again, this video is available to you. We also have this available in a document format if you wanted to receive that. Please feel free to reach out to the training department. It's me, I am Jim Cruz, and I'll be happy to email you a copy as well. To help manage your account, you can also go to affiliatedtech.com/manage, and that will allow you to manage your account, which includes all the other training videos and other functions which are available to you. If you're having any issues, you can feel free to contact our support team at 866 692 5844. The support team is available on the East Coast from 8 to 8 p.m. and all across the country following the 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. time. So I want to thank you all for joining our training session. If you have any questions or anything we can help you with, please let us know. Otherwise, thank you and good luck with your new ATS mobile app. Thank you.